Hello guys, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. I'm really glad to have you back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make avocado salsa. Avocado salsa is quite easy to make and you will need ripe avocado. So I have a very large avocado here which we are going to use for this salsa recipe. And you can use more than one avocado just because my avocado is really big, so I'm just going to make use of one, and I'm going to cut my avocado open, just cut it into two, and we have this beautiful avocado here which is really ripe and is perfect for this avocado salsa. And I'm just going to pick out the pits. Okay, you can use your hand to pull out the remaining skin just the way I did. And I'm going to use a spoon to scoop out my avocado flesh into a bowl like this. And I'm going to scoop the other avocado and bring it into one bowl as well. I love a creamy avocado salsa, so I'm just going to bring my avocado into the blender. We are going to blend this into a creamy salsa. I'll go ahead and squeeze in half lemon juice. So I'm just going to collect the seeds with a strainer. And I will go in with a quarter-sized red onion, 2 garlic cloves. Because I love my avocado salsa to be very spicy, I'm going in with 2 jalapeno pepper with the seeds. And I'm going in with half bunch of cilantro, a 1/3 teaspoon of chili pepper flakes, a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, a 1/3 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 cup of water. And now we are going to blend this. Okay, this appears to be too thick, so I'm adding in another 1/4 cup of water, and I'm going to blend this again. At this point, I'm just going to stop and test my avocado salsa. I'm going to go in with a little bit of salt and the remaining lemon juice because I love the tangy taste of the lemon. And I'm going to mix it now. Once the chunky parsley leaves are no longer visible and you have a very smooth and creamy consistency like this, your avocado salsa is ready, guys. So I'm just transferring this into a serving bowl. So guys, your avocado salsa is ready. You can enjoy this right away with tortilla chips. This is really amazing. The taste is really delicious. Thank you guys for watching this video. This was how to make avocado salsa. It is quite easy. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new here and click on the bell button so you don't miss any of our interesting videos. Bye for now.